Today I want to talk to all the veterans out there, and I want to talk to them about the basics of a federal tort claim. Hi, my name is Monty Sheritz. I'm an attorney at the Odom Law Firm in Fayetteville, Arkansas. And like many of you, I'm also a disabled combat veteran, and I get my treatment at the local VA hospital here in Fayetteville. Because of those things, I get a lot of calls and questions about what do I do if I've been harmed by the VA. So there's really four significant differences between a federal tort claim and filing a civil action against a private defendant. And let's talk about some of those. The first and the biggest one is you do not have the right as a veteran filing a claim against the VA to simply file a lawsuit. First, you have to file an administrative claim. That goes for any claims against any federal employee or any federal agency that has harmed you. And you get that process started with what's called the Standard Form 95. This is the form that essentially puts forth to the federal agency, in this case the VA, the facts of your case so that they're able to investigate the matter and make an attempt at settling the claim with you before you file a lawsuit. The VA has 6 months to review the matter and to attempt a settlement with you. One of the typical questions we get is an attorney required for that? And the answer is no. However, highly recommended that you do have an attorney to help you navigate this process. Again, we're talking about just the basics here. We have not talked about things like the statute of limitations, the time that you have to file your lawsuit if this claim is not settled or if it is outright denied, how much money you should ask for on your claim, and what evidence you should present. An attorney can help guide you through that process far better than this video can, okay? So that's the first thing. You have to wait the 6-month time period and let the VA know of your claim. Significant difference number two is that you are not entitled to a jury trial. In this case, you'll be trying a federal tort claim to a federal judge. Point number three, you are not entitled to punitive damages. Punitive damages are meant to punish and deter bad behavior. And even though your federal tort claim may have the type of egregious facts that might otherwise support a punitive damage claim, you will not be entitled to punitive damages. Point number four, there are reduced attorney's fees. The federal government caps contingency fees for attorneys at 20% for claims that are resolved during the administrative claim process and 25% for all claims that are resolved after the filing of a lawsuit. That sounds like that's a good thing. In practice, however, you may find that it's more difficult to find an attorney willing to take your case because those fees are roughly half of what an attorney would otherwise charge a private party in a typical civil action. So again, going through the list, you have to file your administrative claim first. You have to wait 6 months. You're not entitled to a jury trial. You're also not entitled to punitive damages, and attorney's fees are capped. Now, none of those things are a great deal for veterans, but that shouldn't deter you from filing the claim. It's important to hold the VA accountable and responsible when they cause harm. We need to do that if we ever want to turn the VA healthcare system into a top-notch medical healthcare provider. So that's it, veterans. If you have any questions about this video, or if you think you have a federal tort claim that you'd like to have reviewed by an attorney, feel free to give us a call. The call is free, of course. Consider it a courtesy from one veteran to another.